Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you my first Kizer knife that I bought. And yes, these knives, or should I say this brand is really one of those I would say value to design, budget, and everything included, a fairly good offering from a Chinese manufacturer who is producing really nice, interesting design collaboration with custom knife makers. So this is definitely good to have in the community and also in the marketplace. So this will be the Kizer pinch. So this is a non-locking knife. So the quick specs are 3-inch blade, Rolf Helbig design, model number is there, and we have a N690 blade with a brown micarta and steel liners. So just a little fun fact before I take out the knife. So the designer, the Rolf Helbig, is no knife maker or knife designer. He just wanted to make a knife, and probably contacted Kizer and submitted his drawing, his design, and they made it a reality, which now we can see with a lot of people happening with brands like Tucson, Bestech. So inside the pouch we have a nice pamphlet in Chinese and also English. So if you know, this knife is under the Tangram brand, so Tangram line. So this is or it is not. Let me check again. It is not stated there, but definitely this is under the Vanguard series. So no titanium, so cheaper value line of offerings from Kizer. Definitely the same manufacturer, but at more affordable pricing, and also my microfiber cloth. And this is how it comes. Nice, safe, it will not fall out, so you have to take it out. So let's see. So the V3009N2 comes in two variants, the Micarta and the Black G10. If I'm not mistaken, maybe they will add some more handle materials down the road. It has also a Micarta backspacer with milled out portions. So nice to see that you can reverse the pocket clip if you are left-handed. And as I mentioned, this is a non-locking knife, so definitely the design is inspired by the old Swordbuster design from Case, and also some Tops knives. As you can see, this has a really I would say almost a Scandi grind, but then there is a secondary bevel there. It has this nice opening for your nail on the nail nick. It will not go out, maybe, yeah. with enough force it will open. But definitely there should be a detent ball right there, on one side. And this reminds me on some Chinese designs they use double detent, the ball, so the knife has better, also more tension when it's open and also closed. Definitely you can open these one-handed if you like, no problems there. But yeah, so for who is this knife intended? Probably I would say for everybody who lives in a jurisdiction where there are strict knife laws, where you can't have a locking knife, or maybe you have some blade length and plus locking restrictions like UK or Germany. So this should be safe to carry openly in the public without any repercussions to any laws restrictions. Anyway, I will not recommend it for a hard use, just because you could somehow disengage very lightly the knife, and then, as you can see here, you will cut your fingers right off. So this is very dangerous, so just keep that in mind. Maybe if you are a light EDC user, maybe you are just using your knife to open some envelopes, maybe packages, and that is all, then this would suffice. But anything like food prep, these kind of things, I will not risk it, just because the detent is really light. You can see just small amount of pressure and it will close. There is no half stop whatsoever, so this will definitely be an issue, a safety issue of course. But overall the blade is brilliantly executed, so really nice, so polished stone finish, which is excellent for everyday carry because it will not attract fingerprints. The Micarta looks okay to me. Maybe some discoloring here. I don't know if this was polished or treated with some kind of varnish. Maybe not. They definitely did not polish it up. Who knows? And inside, as you can see, it rides on, I don't know if no, definitely no ball bearings. That would be really interesting if it would be, but I don't know, maybe. But let's say these are washers. I have not taken apart this knife, just didn't see the need to do that. Perfectly centered, always good to see. Okay, let's talk about the dimensions. So we have a blade length of 3.03 inches or 77 millimeters. We have a cutting edge of 3.0, so almost the whole length is the cutting edge, just a small part there for your sharpening needs. The close length is 3.86 inches or 98 millimeters, almost 10 centimeters. And we have a overall, so that's the handle, and the overall length is 6.89 inches or 17.5 centimeters. This is a flat grind, like I mentioned, the Scandi grind, drop point construction, and the weight comes in a 2.8 ounces or 79 grams. The Kizer brand is made in China, of course. And it has this really nice touch, high polished clip, which is very soft. Let me bring out the jean pocket so we can see. So as you can see, it's really with a light pressure. It will go in and out, so this will definitely not shred your pocket whatsoever. The micarta underneath is smooth, so this is how much it will stick out. Maybe you can also use a coin pocket. Depends on how large is your coin pocket there. Okay. Now some size comparisons. So I brought out my box print, which is also in my Micarta. The Benchmade proper. Small reptilian. This is the large reptilian. Delica 4 from Spyderco. Bug Vintage Pro. Large or normal sized. And here's the small sized. And Kershaw Skyline. Let's see. So here are a few micro shots. Okay, so in my opinion, if this one would be a little bit larger, maybe 8 to 8.5 inches, and it will be a liner lock, it will be something similar to this one. Probably would be a more functional knife, so for my personal preference, much more usable, just because you have nice locking interface there. But overall, a nicely made design. I just would be really careful if you are using this as a daily EDC, just because of the locking, non-locking interface. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly nice and gear oriented, but sometimes also hobby stuff like Warhammer books, and tools for this hobby. So thanks for watching. I wish you a beautiful day and see you soon. Bye.